Okay, so let's talk about controlling the distance that the ball travels. So if I want the ball to travel further, I definitely will be pretty square here. And for the club face, it's going to be pretty square, maybe even just a touch open. So when I play that shot, normal swing, you can see that's flying out there nicely. So that's a good normal bunker shot. If I wanted to take a bit of energy off that, I could keep everything the same, but just open the club face. So everything's pretty much exactly the same. I'm just going to open the club face a touch. And now it comes out a little bit shorter than that. If I want to take off even more energy there, what I can do is I can just open my body line ever so slightly, keep the same club face angle, and then go ahead and hit it. And I get a much higher shot, but it definitely comes out a lot shorter. The more I open my target line, my body line, the more the club delivery is to the left here for me. So the ball energy is going to be a lot less. So I'm going to show you kind of a crazy one where I'm literally almost facing the target here. Now I'm going to have to hit this probably as hard as I can just to get it onto the green. So that means all of the energy is traveling this way and very little is traveling out there. So I had to hit that so hard just to get it out. So it's a great way to understand how to generate more speed, more ball speed and less ball speed. Another way that we can actually control distance is just by club face and release. So if I have it a little bit open here and I keep the club face open, what we're going to find is a nice soft shot that'll go kind of short. Yeah, if I let that club rotate over a little bit, it's going to come out much more like a running shot. You can see there, when you see when it hits the green, it's got all that top spin, so it chases down. So just the release pattern and the loft will be able to control the distance for me.